We're in Tiger Stadium in Baton Rouge. We have Celebration Bermuda, and it got resprigged in late spring. You know, it does well with the weather we have all over the place. We're able to beat it up, and it responds very well to that. It's aggressive, filling back in. So, you know, it just really works for us. I'm Trevor Austin, the sports turf manager, and we're here in Tiger Stadium at LSU. For us at LSU, all our athletic fields that we compete on are all Celebration. So the stadium, softball, soccer, our practice facilities, Alex Box, our baseball stadium, they're all Celebration as well.
My name is Sheldon Rogers. Right now I'm a horticultural leader, and we are at Alex Box Stadium. As far as Celebration, I like the fact that it is a very aggressive grass. It can take the abuse, you know, so we do a lot of top dressing and verticutting, aerifying, things like that, cut those stolons. And what we found is typically when you cut it lower, it looks better. One thing about Bermuda grass is when it looks good, it's time to tear it up again. It can take that aggressiveness. It can be down in like southern states. This is like the best place to have it.
Celebration for us has been you know, we've had success with it. On the practice field is probably where it takes the biggest, you know, wear and tear, and that's kind of where we get to, you know, play with our culture practices a little bit, see what we like, don't like. You know, anything we've thrown at it, it's responded very well. Celebration for us just works, and it's a good fit.